In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes or speaker notes in Figma Slides. If you present from Figma, adding speaker notes is a simple way to keep your key points, cues, and reminders right where you need them, without cluttering your slides. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share a few tips so your notes stay clear and useful. First, go to Home in Figma. You can use the desktop app or your browser. Either works the same here. From the home view, you'll see your recent files and team projects. This is your starting point for finding the slide deck you want to update. Next, click on the slide deck you want to work on. Pick the correct presentation from your recents or the project where it lives. If you have similar files, glance at the thumbnail or rename the file so you know you're opening the right one. That saves time and prevents edits in the wrong place. Once the deck opens, select the slide on which you want to add presenter notes. Use the slide panel to navigate. Click the slide thumbnail to highlight it and bring it into view on the canvas. It's helpful to open the slide you're actually rehearsing, so your notes are tailored to that content and layout. Now, click on the Presenter Notes section at the bottom of the slide. Look for the area labeled Presenter Notes beneath your slide. Click inside that field to place your cursor. If the area looks collapsed, hover or click once to activate it so you can type comfortably. Then, type your note. Keep it concise and action-oriented. Think of short beats rather than full sentences. Your opening line, a key stat, a reminder to demo a feature, or a cue to pause for questions. Use line breaks to chunk ideas and make scanning easier while you're talking. Avoid sensitive information and stick to cues that help you deliver the message clearly. If you already drafted notes elsewhere, you can paste them here and tidy the formatting in. And that's it. Now you have added speaker notes to a slide. Figma saves changes automatically, so there's nothing extra to click. Notes are stored per slide, which makes it easy to craft guidance that matches each moment in your presentation. You can come back to edit or refine them anytime as your story evolves. When you present, these notes are for your reference and don't appear on the slide itself, helping you stay on track while keeping the audience focused on the visuals. Thanks for following along. With these steps, you'll keep your delivery smooth and your content sharp across every slide.